All right, boys and girls, we're going to do a really cool science experiment. Are you ready to be a scientist? All right, let's get started.
All right, boys and girls, here are the things that you are going to need for our science experiment. You're going to need 2 pans, something that can handle having really hot water in it, but not too hot because we don't want to melt our plastic 2-liter. You're going to need a 2-liter with nothing in it and a balloon. All right, let's get started.
All right, boys and girls. So, because you're a scientist, you need to learn a really, really important word. It's called molecules. Now, molecules are in everything. They're in us, they're in the air. Everything that you see is made up of tiny, tiny molecules. And you can't see a molecule, but it's in everything. So what happens is when molecules get heated up, they get excited and they expand and they move around and they get all crazy. And what we're going to demonstrate with our experiment today is how the molecules inside this 2-liter get really excited. And when they get excited and they move around and they get all heated up, it causes the balloon to blow up. Whoops. It causes the balloon to blow up. And then when we put the 2-liter into the cold water, it causes the molecules to calm down and the balloon will deflate. All right, let's try it. So first we have to put on the balloon on our 2-liter so no air can get in there. All right, so it's on there pretty good. And we're going to use some hot water, not too hot, but you can see it's steaming. So guess what, boys and girls? That means that your mommies and daddies have to help you with this part because I don't want you to get burned. All right, so we're going to put our hot water in this container. And I've got this towel on the table so that when I drip, which inevitably I will, it won't make a big mess. All right, so we're going to put our 2-liter with its molecules inside. So the air inside the 2-liter has molecules in it, but they're fine right now. They're pretty calm. See, our balloon isn't blown up. But now when we put it in the hot water, the molecules are going to get all excited and they're going to heat up and they're going to start moving around. And then look at that. The balloon blows up. Now it doesn't get huge because they're not excited enough that it would blow up. But look at that. Isn't that cool? All right, so now we're going to put the 2-liter into the cold water and the molecules inside the 2-liter are going to calm down. Watch. It takes a minute. I put some ice cubes in my water because I wanted to make sure that my water was nice and cold. Look at that. It's starting to deflate and it's deflated. There it goes. All the molecules are calming down. Pretty cool. You want to see it inflate again? I do too. Let's see if it'll do it again. Let's put it in the hot water. There it goes. It's blowing up. Those molecules are getting awfully excited in there. Cool. That's awesome. Isn't science so awesome? Wasn't that cool how when the molecules that were inside the 2-liter bottle and inside the balloons got heated up, it made the balloon get big. And then when they cooled down, the balloon went small again. Wasn't that awesome to see how that works? Isn't it amazing how God made everything? All right, we will do some more science experiments soon. Have a great day. Bye.